All right, I'm up here with Aemon. He's pulling the board. And I have yak tracks on. That's it. So I'm super lightweight, no backpack, no water, no nothing. Got snow, dog, blade, powder, man, surf. This is just a little baby hill right here. I'm thinking I'm gonna climb this, and there's a nice little cornice right there at the top. So I'll see if I can have a sweet little drop in right there and bomb this little thing and be able to turn. Ready, Aemon? Ready, boy? In so far, so that's pretty sweet. Alright, I'm up here at the top. I'm gonna check the map here and see if I can figure out where I am. There's a T-post with a glove on it over there. I think this is gonna be the top of where we're often setting sail on a downhill expedition. So you got a little opening there, and I'm gonna head off through there, see what Aemon can do to chase and keep up. Hopefully I have enough power to make some turns and maintain control. I love these rocks. This is a bit of rock here. I think this is some igneous rock, some granite, hard stuff. All right, here we go again. Aemon's fired up, aren't you? No. Got about probably 8 inches of snow. All right, I got myself some shelter under this tree here. It's pretty much blizzarding conditions out there, and my goggles are kind of fogging up and getting some snow in there. Thinking about if I should try to dry them off or if it's just a lost cause, but if I don't, I'm just getting pelted in the eyeballs anytime I get out from underneath this tree here. So I'm gonna see if I can get my goggles dried off, even though I didn't bring a wipey. Didn't bring a wipey. Too bad I couldn't use him, but he's a soaking wet mop. What do you have to say, Aemon? How's the trip shaping up so far, huh? A lot of wrestling and roughhousing. Good times, Call of the Wild. Oh yeah, I just got the sickest route through there. So good. The more I come out here, the more I realize how much I don't know. It's never-ending terrain. I've never hit the same run twice. It's amazing. And I love this setup. Just hop on and skate down. I got some yak tracks on. Got about oh man, that's so fun. There's the cornice. Aemon and I are having derbies, going down border derby, man versus dog. all out brawl. On here, I'm gonna stay right, just kind of trying to do the wayfinding. I can see how hard it would be, or how easy it would be to get lost out here. There's the truck that made it home safe. 8 inches of snow is probably about right. Just perfect conditions. Tomorrow, they say there'll be 20 inches of fresh on the ground tomorrow, so we'll see. That's one of the first runs I ever did right there. Greg King and I right up there. This is on a good old toboggan. Got some YouTube coverage of that. Pretty awesome. First ever powder surf for us up here. Oh, Greg.